Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions of the workout questions on the topic syllogism. So let's start. So going to the first workout question, statements no unit is a part, no x or y means universal negative, right? So how we can represent it using Venn diagram? No unit is a part, only one possibility, right? Then all parts are items, all parts are items. Right? Then some items are elements. Some items are elements. Okay. Now we can go to the conclusions. No unit is an element. No unit is an element. Can we say any relation between unit and element? No, there is no relation between unit and element. So this is not true. At least some units are items. At least some units are items. No, we can't say anything about unit and these elements, right? Element, items and parts. So this is also not true. So the answer is neither one nor two is true. Both the statements are false. Now going to the second workout question. Some bridges are roads. Some x are y. That means particular affirmative, right? There are three possibilities for some x or y case, right? Some bridges are roads. That means it can be represented like this, it can be represented like this, and it can be represented like this. Okay. Some bridges are roads. No road is underpass. No road is underpass. No road is underpass. No road is underpass. Okay. And now the conclusions. Some bridges are underpasses. No bridge is an underpass. Some A or B, no A is B, or some X or Y, no X is Y case. That is complementary pair. That means the answer is either one or two is true. Because some bridges can be underpasses and some no bridges and underpass is also right. Either it can be right or it can be right. We can't say that both are right. So that's why either one or two is true, because this is complementary pair. Third workout question. All teams are participants. All X are Y. That means universal affirmative, right? So all teams are participants. There are two possibilities. It can be drawn like this. All teams are participants, or all teams are participants like this. Now all members are teams. All members are teams. All members are teams. Now no member is a captain. No member is a captain. Okay. Now going to the conclusions. At least some participants are members. At least some participants are members. Here it is true. And here at least some participants are members. Here also it is true. That means conclusion 1 is true. Now going to the second conclusion. All teams being captains is a possibility. All teams being captains is a possibility. No, we can't say anything about that. Here all teams being captains is a possibility. No, since there is no relation between member and captain, we can't say that all teams being captains is a possibility. So this is wrong. So the answer is only conclusion 1 is true. Okay. Going to the fourth workout question. Some X are Y. That means particular affirmative, right? So some slides are photos. There are three possibilities. Some slides are photos, some slides are photos, and some slides are photos. Okay. Using Venn diagram, there are three possibilities for some X or Y. Now all photos are images. It is said that all the photos are images. All photos are images. All photos are images. Second, all images are creations. It is said that all images are creations. Here all images are creations, and here also all images are creations. Now conclusions. At least some images are slides. Is it true? Yes, some images are slides. All these portions are images and some images are slides is true in this case. Here also some images are slides is true. Here also some images are slides is true. So the first conclusion is true. Now going to the second conclusion. All photos are creations. All photos are creations. Yes, all photos are images and all images are creations. That means all photos are creations. This is true. Here also all photos are images and all images are creations. That means all photos are creations. This is true. Here also all photos are creations. That means conclusion 2 is also true. So the answer is both conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are true. Got it? Going to the fifth workout question. All engines are machines. That is universal affirmative, right? All X are Y. So there are two possibilities for that. All engines are machines. Next, some machines are computers. Some machines are computers. Now conclusions. No computer is an engine. Here it is true. No computer is an engine, but here it is false. Computer is an engine in this case, in this diagram. So this is not true. And second one, all computers being machines is a possibility. Yes, in this case, all computers being, because it is said that some machines are computers. So some machines are computers. We can write it in, or we can draw it in three ways, right? Like this. So that all computers being machines. See here, all computers being machines is a possibility. It is true. So possibility means either any of the possibility, any of the three cases must be true. Any of the three cases. You should note that any of the three cases must be true in case of possibility. No need that all the cases should be true. Either any of the cases should be true in case of possibility. So in this case, all computers being machines, in the case of this one, it is true. So possible cases is true in this case. That is, all computers being machines is a possibility is true. So only answer is only conclusion 2 is true. Answer is only conclusion 2 is true. Okay. It's easy to solve syllogism questions using Venn diagram representation. There will be 5 questions definitely from syllogism. So practice more questions. I hope you all got the correct answers. So far we discussed topic-wise previous year questions. In the next video of reasoning onwards, we will discuss previous year question papers in random. If you find my channel informative and useful, do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.